The coin market cap is used to summarize everything that is said in this movie. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my station to get more XRP news and news about cryptocurrencies in general. Look at this now. The market keeps going down. Ripple is waiting for a major court decision. XRP lost 58% of its value on August 4th. The price of XRP stock dropped 0.8% on Saturday, August 3rd, and it ended the day at 52 cents. The value of all cryptocurrencies fell by 4, bringing the total market cap to $2 trillion. However, XP kept losing, making it 5 sessions in a row that it has lost money. This is a very important step. The global financial markets are scared of an economic downturn in the United States. Fears of an economic downturn in the United States have grabbed the financial markets around the world. At this point, it looks like the Federal Reserve has kept interest rates way too high for way too long. A report on U.S. jobs released on Friday showed that workers use IC markets to trade with the markets. You take a big risk with your money when you trade swaps. The spread between XRP and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is shown by raw spread accounts. Both XRP and the rest of the cryptocurrency market are riskier investments that are seen as less risky over time. The Nasdaq 100 Mini was down 384 points at the start of the Monday session. Gary Gensler is the chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, and U.S. politics has been hampered by people who don't want to take risks. There have been calls for the U.S. administration to replace the chair Gensler. A writer for Fox Business named Eleanor Tourette responded on Sunday to a post on X, which used to be called Twitter, that called for Chair Gensler to be fired. She said in her answer that the Biden-Harris government could fire Gary Gensler right now if they wanted to. According to the Constitution, Vice President Biden can choose another commissioner to be chair without going through Congress first, and this meeting would start right away. Gensler would still be on the panel, but he would not be chair. If Gensler is fired from his job as chair, there may be more demand for XRP. If the head of the SEC is more open to cryptocurrencies, they might end the reign of regulation by following the rules and making plans to fight the decision about programmatic sales of XRP. The ruling made by Judge Torres in July 2023 says that programmatic sales of XRP do not meet the third part of the Howey test demands. In the case of SECV. For Ripple, the court has not yet made a decision. Investors were waiting for the court to make a ruling on the SECV Ripple case. The judge, Analyst Torres, will decide how much of a fine Ripple has to pay for breaking a stock rules. It was found that Ripple broke a securities laws when it sold unregistered XRP to institutional buyers. Judge Torres made a decision in July 2023 that said Ripple should be fined $10 million. However, the CC's opening brief says that the fine could be as much as $2 billion in an order. It would be hard for Ripple to grow in the US if an order stopped them from selling XRP to institutional buyers, even though the company may have a lot of money. The decision could come down at any time, which leaves XRP open to confusion at a time when market volatility is rising. As risk aversion moves through the market, investors need to stay alert. Staying up to date on our latest news and analysis is important for controlling your risks in XRP and the cryptocurrency market as a whole, while investors wait for the court to rule. People in the cryptocurrency market are still very interested in the Ripple problem. A decision made by Judge Analyst Torres in July 2023 said that Ripple broke U.S. securities laws when it sold unregistered XRP to institutional investors. People who work in the market use IC markets to trade. You take a big risk with your money when you trade swaps. Because of this, you should only trade with money that you are ready to lose. There is a chance that trading derivatives is not right for all buyers. You should make sure you fully understand the risks and get advice from a professional. If you are interested in doing business with us and are asked to, you should get a product disclosure statement. You can do this through this website or by calling our offices. The raw spread account gives you a spread. The judge will decide on the punishment based on the SSE's opening brief. The punishment could be anywhere from $10 million, as suggested by Ripple, to $2 billion in an order. If an injunction was granted that said Ripple couldn't sell XRP to institutional investors, it would hurt the company's plans to grow in the US. How harsh the punishment is could depend on what Ripple did after the report. Anytime Judge Torres decides that on-demand liquidity and AX did not follow the rules for securities in the US, Ripple could be fined $2 billion in an injunction. On the other hand, it's still not clear when a court decision will be made. Sean McBride, who used to be the head of Ripple, said this about the case. There is a good chance that Judge Torres will make her decision this month in the matter of the Securities and Exchange Commission vs. Ripple. So, since she has to make a choice by the end of September, the vote is split 50/50. Because of the effects of XRP and the court's decision, the Securities and Exchange Commission might appeal the decision on the automated sales of XRP if the court's decision is not good. The ruling made by Judge Torres in July 2023 says that programmatic sales of XRP do not meet the third part of the Howey test parameters. The ruling caused XRP to rise and hit a high of $0.93 in 2023. Even so, XRP dropped below $0.45 in August because it wasn't clear if the SEC would appeal the ruling on programmatic sales. Traders and buyers are interested in a guaranteed profit of $1,000 a year in the fourth quarter of 2024. And Moon Taurus Imtar S becoming more well-known. The project's 10-stage presale effort is meant to raise the price of the token at each stage, starting with the launch phase at $0.05 and going through the rest of the stages. The price will go up to $0.01 in the second part of the presale, and it will crest at $0.07 when the product goes on sale to everyone. Mantar has become a popular investment choice because of its pricing system, which gives early investors a return on their money that is $0, 13 times high. A lot of people who know about the market are excited about Moon Taurus Homemaster. They have also told buyers to get in early while the project is still cheap, but this window of chance could close very quickly. It's already more than halfway through the first stage of the presale. The information given is not meant to be taken as trade advice. Any purchases made based on the information on this page are not the responsibility of the people who made them. Before making an investment decision, you should definitely do your own study and talk to a professional who knows what they're talking about.